Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So, excuse me if I scream at you, like there should be a scream warning, but yeah. Overall, Tezos right now is sitting at a price of right around $3.15. Today we're up like only 1 cent, or approximately 0.59%. Overall, we're still moving in my favor. Oh, who would have known this? But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how we are moving at the moment. Basically, right here, we are at our lowest points, and I will basically draw a buy zone right here. So everything that's in this buy zone is basically a buy in my eyes. So make sure you don't do diligence, because I don't want to sound like anything to get you where to get in and where to get out. This is just my opinion, guys, and my opinion should not be taken as granted, because I may be wrong, I may not. It is always like to my kind of view and my side of things. So yeah. Overall, I think at some point we gotta be pushing to the downside, so that's where you gotta buy into the yellow zone that we have right there. Well, again, I'm not a financial advisor, so yeah, my opinion should not be taken as granted, but you do your own thing. And from here on, I think that we may just push to the downside a little bit, but I don't want to break the $2.40 mark and then start pushing to the upside and make them new all-time highs, baby. So yeah. Overall, this is basically for today's video. I don't want to keep the things long and frustrating or like unexplainable. You can see everything on my chart. And if you want to support the channel, just smash the like button. It will help me out a lot. And if you want to earn some free stuff, go into the links in the description down below. And I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace.